SONOFIT is a revolutionary device designed specifically for effective tinnitus management. In this video, we will guide you on how to use SONOFIT to alleviate tinnitus symptoms and improve your quality of life. The first step is to unbox your SONOFIT device. Carefully remove the device from its packaging, taking care not to damage any of the components. Make sure you have all the necessary parts, including the main device, earbuds, and charging cable. Before using your SONOFIT device, it is important to ensure it is fully charged. Connect the charging cable to the device and plug it into a power source. Allow the device to charge for the recommended time specified in the user manual. Once your SONOFIT device is fully charged, it's time to put it on. Gently insert the earbuds into your ears, making sure they fit comfortably and securely. Adjust the device for a snug fit, ensuring optimal sound transmission. To maximize the benefits of your SONOFIT device, it is recommended to connect it to the dedicated app. Install the app on your smartphone or tablet and follow the instructions to pair your device. The app will provide additional customization options and features for personalized tinnitus management. Once connected to the app, you can customize the settings of your SONOFIT device according to your preferences. Adjust the volume, frequency, and sound therapy options to find the most effective combination for your tinnitus management needs. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of your tinnitus management with the help of SONOFIT. Keep track of any changes in your tinnitus symptoms and adjust the device settings accordingly. Consult with a healthcare professional for any concerns or guidance. With the proper use of SONOFIT, you can effectively manage your tinnitus symptoms and improve your overall well-being. Experience relief from the constant ringing and enjoy a better quality of life.